section. Ooh-wee. Man, I should have brought my extra battery. Wow. That's the Porsche section over there if you want to buy something. This all Chevys. Got the Elcos right here. He's squatting. He's squatting a little bit. Look at this Cuddy right here. Cuddy on the 4Gs. Ooh-wee. SS. Oh, look at this, what's it called? What is that? What is that? We looking for the Ford section, baby. This is Chevys. Oh, Chevy. You like that? Elco for sale. Uh-oh. I see a Ford. I see a stain. Fords are coming up. $6.9. Look at the interior on this baby. It's nice. Hey bro, where'd you get your seats done at?
My what?
Your seats.
Oh, it's original.
Oh, it's all original?
Yeah, this is from like an older lady and a guy customized it for me just with the stripes and a 5.0 GT.
Whoa.
Yeah,
Look at that center console.
Except for the gauges and then obviously the transformation to become a stick shift.
Wow.
Yeah, go ahead and open up the hood if you want. You want to open it?
Yeah, I got one.
Yeah.
Playing with this one, bro. Not playing with this one. Yeah, this is tight, bro.
Yeah, man. It's my daily driver, dude.
Right.
I drive it to work every day, back and forth.
Right.
Only thing I did to it was put a smaller radiator.
Where's the Ford section at around here?
Dude, it's
kind of mixed up, huh?
You only have about maybe a dozen Mustangs here right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and only half of them are for sale.
Oh.
But booths out there, probably only like a handful of Mustangs.
The booths over there?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, King. All right.
What are you looking for? What year is your Mustang?
I want some stocks. 65.
65?
Probably, and I need a dash pad. A few items. I need some kicker panels.
Original or just like aftermarket too, or
either or.
California Mustang in the city of Bellflower.
Oh, okay.
They carry everything right there, dude, and it's you call. It's not even a long wait to have a little showroom.
Oh.
Grab and go, and you take anywhere from aftermarket to somewhat original.
In Bellflower, California Mustang.
Yeah, California Mustang. Man.
Thank you, man.
Yeah,
appreciate
it. Your parts, man. All right,
Thank you.
Yeah.
See? That's the networking. Let's go. He said it's only a handful out here. Look. He just ducks it.
You can tell what car is it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, give me 100 quarts.
Here go another one. This is 6.7, I believe. Four lug tires. There go another one. There go my car over here. Primer up. There go another one. He got that one on the flatbed back there. Primer it up. Look, no price. I think he want 14,000. Look like he wanted 14,000 for that. Where? Black? Nah. What is it? Oh, that's what you call fastback. Right. Look. You want the glass house? The glass house is going for. Ooh, we all original. Ooh, things.
All original, 14,875 miles.
Ooh, it's a bad
Well
baby.
loaded.
Bad right here, bro.
Look at that little car.
Oh, that little car. Look at the 6.7 Elco. Let me see what else they got. Fruit cup, huh?
Yeah, well, that's a horse. That's a horse.
Fastback, yeah. You see the difference from fastback? Look, they got the old school out here for sale. Y'all interested in that? Or y'all like the lowriders? Lowrider for sale. That shit whack. Old school. Look at that old MC. Look at this one over here. This is a fastback too.
I'm not surprised.
At the parade in LA. Yeah. Look. Ooh, he clean.
Yeah.
See him talking about the shirt already, huh? This is clean. Elco's over there. Ooh, clean Deuce. That Deuce over there, clean. That's right. Look at that for sale. It's an old ass ticket to Lincoln, huh?
She's looking for a partner.
Oogly. Hood scoop. 58 Bel Air.
He wasn't lying. He said ain't that many Mustangs. There go one. Like he won the trophy for that one, huh?
6'5". He want 27.5 for this one. 27.5. See how easy you can get 20. Look, he want 27.5 for this.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Got a V8 on it. Look at this old baby right here. a burger. Alright. Woo, it was lit out here today, bro. Everything, no Ford section, so I'm out.
Here comes a Ford Mustang.
Where? Ah.
Everything good? I'm done already. Good to see you, man.
That's another weird, different one. It's your boy. The fuck is that? Look at all the shit they got for sale out here. Hella shit. Hella. Ooh, we did some major walking.
You watch till you mean.
I don't know. They got everything you want to see up here for sale. Just many people in the cars. Pomona Classic Car Swap Meet be lit.
That's crazy that it didn't have that many Mustangs.
Well, you gotta really walk through this motherfucker. Yeah, I don't feel like doing it. I have to come out here next time with something electric. Seriously, so I can really cover this motherfucker like I want to. Look at that thing he got.
It's two plates.
They got hella bathrooms right there.
Not bad.
Go in there, you won't make it out.
Yeah.
Big Brewski out here, come get you a beer. This shit is tight. But they got hella shit for sale over there. Look at all the cars. He G'd up, bruh. Lowrider section. You feel me? Look at that for sale. Wow, that's a Cadillac, bro.
Oh, that married.
Wow. That's a Cadillac.
Yeah, if you're leaking through that.
This old school lack, bro. It's crazy. Hella old. That motherfucker needs so much work. The bug is dope. Ooh, we had that bug so tight. All for sale. Hella shit. Rows and rows and rows and rows and rows of cars for sale. Pomona Classic Car Show. This is where it's at, right? Ooh, it's a clean motherfucker right there. What is this? What do you want for this? What do you want for this powdery motherfucker right here? What? I hate when people don't be putting prices on this shit, bro. I want to negotiate shit, nigga. What you want for this motherfucker, bro?
The feature car code with them here.
Uh-oh. Look at this baby. How much you want for this? Damn, look at that motherfucker. Ooh-wee. Pretty tight. E-Mac. He's E-Mac. Damn, they want $8,000 for this? Wow, that's a good price. Wow. Ooh, look, that's a bad motherfucker right here. Damn, he only wants $79 for that. Wow. Look at this convertible Mustang. He tight. What do you want for this? Oh, he wants 65 racks for this one. Yes, him do. He playing for keeps. He clean. He wants 65. Look at the bug. The bug is coming through. Hell, this shit. Look at this foe. What do you want for the foe? Wow. This is where you come get some shit at. Foe. Wow. For sale, for sale, for sale. Everything's for sale. Everything's for sale. For sale, for sale, for sale. For sale. Look at another tray. Wow. That motherfucker's rusty as it need to be. That's clean. Give me the brewski. Look at the line for the brew. See, look, you need those. You know you can rent them. I'll be ready next time. Next time I'll be ready for one of those. Oh my God, look at this. Red rim having.
Were you guys on your way out or what? Yeah.
Yep.
No, I got here at 3:40. So I'm like, I'm gonna just park and take it by 9.
What? You just passed them all up, bro. I hope you ain't going in there to go take a shit. You got a shit? Ooh-wee. I'll meet you at the car, bro. You ain't gonna make it out that motherfucker. You ain't gonna make it out that porta potty. Wait till we get to the car, you can shit on the side of the car. For real. Bug clean. Look, that motherfucker gonna buy that motherfucker. He got a sale. That nigga got a sale, y'all. Oh, my love is all I have, and my dreams are very special. Look at the bug section, it's deep. Ooh, motherfuckers love these bugs, huh? The V-Dub section, hella deep. Parts section over there. Parts and parts and parts. Whole cars over here for sale. Wow.
We'll have to next.
All right, with me.
Probably.
Yeah. She's sure free. She's sure. Look at that. Whoa. It's expensive for me. $30 to get in this motherfucker. You're gonna have to do some walking. I'm glad we got here when we did, bro. Go ahead, baby. I see you staring at she's staring at that porta potty. Staring at that porta potty, y'all. She's finna take a smooth doo-doo.
Oh yeah, she must. Very creepy. All those places. Like she always like talking to Piper.
Smooth boo-boo ass nigga. What's up with that, bruh? How you gonna come way out here and gotta take a shit? That's crazy. Nigga, way out here and gotta take a shit, y'all. Craziness. Crazy, crazy, crazy.
Oh really? That's where they started.
Crazy, crazy, crazy. Sit on the side of the car when we get there. I got